Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problem solving with division. This video will look at how to solve some typical problems involving the division algorithm. Example 1. The total marbles owned by 7 students amounted to 1,071. What was the average number owned by each student? So all we do, we divide 7 into 1,071. 7 into 10 goes once. 1 times 7 is 7. We saw this process in previous videos. If we go 10, take away 7, that gives us a remainder of 3. That tells us when 7 goes into 10 once, there is a remainder of 3. That's what that process is doing for us. Bring down the 7. 7 into 37 goes 5. 5 sevens are 35. 37 take away 35 gives us 2, so there is a remainder of 2. Bring down the 1, that gives us 21. 7 into 21 goes 3. 3 sevens are 21. When we do our subtraction, we get 0, so it divides evenly. So the average number of marbles for each student, 153. The total wages for 3 juniors amounted to $67,341. What was the average wage for each person? So if we divide 3 into 67,341, 3 into 6 goes twice, 2 threes are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, so there's no remainder because 3 goes into 6 times into 6, 3 goes into 6 twice, goes in there evenly, no remainder. Bring down the 7, 3 into 7 goes twice, 2 threes are 6. If we do our subtraction, we get 1, so there's a remainder of 1 there. Bring down the 3. 3 into 13 goes 4. 4 threes are 12. 13 take away 12 is 1, so there is a remainder of 1. Bring down the 4. 3 into 14 goes 4 times. 4 threes are 12. 14 take away 12 is 2, so there's a remainder of 2 there. And bring down the 1, and 3 into 21 goes 7. 7 threes are 21, and when we do our subtraction, we have 0, so there's no remainder, so the division is perfect because we have no remainders. So the average wage for each person was $22,447. So they're just 2 simple problems showing how to use the division algorithm in problem solving.